Hi everyone, my name is Lenny Lobel, and I'd like to welcome you to my course, Building Event-Driven Microservices with the Azure Cosmos DB Change Feed. I'm a Microsoft Data Platform MVP and Chief Technology Officer at Sleek Technologies in New York City, and I've been building data software solutions for over 4 decades. Cosmos DB is rapidly gaining popularity as Microsoft's massively scalable, globally distributed multi-model database. And by using the Cosmos DB Change Feed, you can greatly simplify a potentially complex, high-performance microservices architecture. This course will teach you how to leverage Cosmos DB, its change feed, and Azure Functions to build event-driven microservices. Some of the major topics that we cover include how partitioning works, which is the most critical concept in Cosmos DB. Then we'll examine the change feed and see how to consume the change feed using Azure Functions for building event-driven microservices. Using real-world e-commerce and IoT scenarios, we'll design a set of microservices to perform replication and denormalization, generate event notifications, build materialized views, and move data for downstream processing. By the end of this course, you'll know the key concepts and techniques for achieving success building your own event-driven microservices using Cosmos DB and the change feed. I've made sure to cover the essentials, so even if you have no previous Cosmos DB knowledge, you'll definitely be able to follow along. But if you want to prepare yourself with some fundamentals first, then have a look at my introductory course here on Pluralsight, Learning Azure Cosmos DB. So I hope you'll join me on this journey and learn how to build event-driven microservices with the Azure Cosmos DB change feed at Pluralsight.